Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can hide your location on Snapchat. Since some people prefer staying private and have people not knowing their location. So today I will be showing you how you can hide it, or even select and choose those who are gonna be looking at it. So to do that, let's start by opening Snapchat. And now that it's open, simply click on this upper button. So now that it's open, you can see that we have so many options to choose from. So simply click on this settings button on top. And now that it's open, you can see even more multiple options to choose from. So to hide your location, simply slide down on this section which says who can. And so below it you can see this other part which says see my location. So click on it. And now that it's been opened, you can see even more tools to work with. So first says my friends, meaning that everyone who you have on Snapchat will see your location. And below it says my friends accept. And if you click on it, you will see that you have this option of searching those who you would like to hide from your location once you posted it and select them. So if you go back, you will see that we have this other part which says only these friends, meaning that you will select those whom you only want to share your location with. So those who aren't selected won't see it. However, you might want to hide your story from everyone. So these steps are simple. All you have to do is come here and enable ghost mode. And if enabled, your friends won't see your location. However, you can see that you have been given a duration through which it will last. So you can pick and choose according to your preference. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.